Hi guys, welcome to Citizen Mentors. My name is Ketan, and finally, the most awaited notification has been out. That's FMS Delhi. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through about the registration process, cutoffs, selection process, and fees for FMS. Now, if you look at this, the last day to submit the form is actually 25th of November. I will be putting the link in the description. You just have to click that link. You will be routed to the main link and you can start filling up the form over there. Now, if you look at the timeline, now these are the tentative one. This is what the college has said on their website itself. So January 1st week is the announcement that you can expect for the candidates who are shortlisted for GDPI round. Okay. March 2nd week, you can have GDPI shortlisted candidates. Fair enough. And before that, before July, you should be having your result in your hand. That's going to be the final merit list. And according to the college, July 1st week is where the score would commence. Now, this is the most important slide for all of us. So let's have a good look at this. Now, there are two rounds. Round one is going to be there. So if you look at in round one, the CAT score is given following weightages. So VARC is 40%, DILR 30. So again, if you look at VARC is having a little bit higher weightage out here. As I've been saying in all the videos. So VARC, there are so many colleges now actually. They have been getting kind of, towards leaning more towards the VARC score nowadays. Okay, now in this, 3 marks will be additionally given to the female candidates under the gender diversity. Now, one correction that I would like to make here, this is not 2018, this is going to be 2019. So this is going to be the total weightage for round 2 or the second round. Your score, the CAT score will have 60% weightage. Marks obtained in 10th, 5%, 12th, 5%. Academically, this is going to be 10%. Again, they are not considering graduation out here. So this is good, 10th and 12th. The weightage is not that high, to be very honest. Group discussion is 10%, extempore is 5%, PI is 15%. Now, if you do a good calculation, this thing out here forms 30%, which is nothing but 1/3 of your preparation. Definitely, the highest weightage has been given to CAT 2019 score. If you do very well, in your GDPI, if you get a call, because the cutoffs are going to be a bit higher. We will be discussing about the cutoffs anyway. But yes, I'll tell you, to be very honest, it's not only kind of, clearing the cutoff. Most of the time it happens that, you might clear the cutoff. Maybe you're 99.20% kind of a person, but then, just for the fact your interview didn't go well, you couldn't actually, crack it through. So it's very important for FMS, particularly that your GDPI is going to be rigorous. And if you are very well prepared, it is crackable. It's just that you got to be prepared very well. Now, the extempore is basically, I'll explain this to you in a quick manner. So one topic will be given to you. Okay, one topic will be given to you and you will have to put your thought across on that topic. You will just have to talk about a minute or two. Again, all the direction, all the instructions will be given to you by the panel on the same day. You will be given some time to think about the topic. Let's say you will be given around about 5 minutes to think about on that topic. And then you can start. So yeah, so if you look at overall, this is going to be the bifurcation of your CAT round 1 and round 2 for your GDP and everything. So extempore is also there, by the way. Now let's move ahead. What do we have? Cutoff. Now when you talk about cutoffs, again, this is an approximate figure. I've already asterisked it out here. It means subject to changes by college. So this is again, depending on the college. I'm just giving you the historic data. This cannot be the full and final figure, but yeah, we can say that the cutoffs will be close by these numbers only. So general 98.60, OBC is 90.59, close to 91 percentile. SC is going to be around about 78, 79. ST is going to be around about 60, 61 percentile. So you can think about your category where you fall into and you can work this way out. Now 98.60, or you can say close to 99 percentile is what the cutoff will be for FMS. This would be the range. And again, that's what I said. The interview process would matter a lot. As I said, there are people, they scored 99.5 plus also, but sometimes not able to crack through FMS just because they did not do very well in the interview. So again, these are the cutoffs as far as, the FMS is concerned. Now, this is the slide wherein these are the instructions for your form filling. So if you look at this slide, this is, I think, nothing great as such. You just need to have passport size photo and signature and everything, and WorkX documents if you have any, if you've got a WorkX and all that. And this is going to be your step-by-step process. I think it's pretty easy, man. I mean, you don't have to really hustle for this. So this is the entire thing. You create your login, verify your email, fill up the application form correctly without any spelling mistake, without any mistake with your name, your date of birth, your address, whatsoever, your academics. So keep all your documents with you, keep all your docs with you, and check them 2 times, 3 times before you filling up the data, because we have already experienced a lot of screw ups when we were filling up the CATCA form. So let's not do that again. And then you upload your required documents, pay the fees, and you are set. So simple si baat hai, simple si process hai. So that's it from my side, guys. I will be making a couple of more videos on FMS placements and all about FMS. I think FMS placement I have already made. If it's available, I'll put the link in the description and you guys can watch it. So yeah, my FMS notification is also out now. So gear up for CAT and wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.